please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling. Yo.
I don't know if I should answer this phone call. But anonymous.
Dude.
Not anonymous. Anonymous. What's the word?
Onerous.
No. It's not onerous. Ominous.
Oh.
Just make a phone call already.
13 ominous.
Bye. Tunes.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Hi, is this alright?
I'm good, thanks. Kunjani Puti?
Do alright, ma'am? That's a Kaya Kondo. My name is Siamtanda.
Hi, Sam Tanda.
And I am calling from the National South African Song Library.
Song library.
Yes, and Lotto. What we
And
do,
Lotto?
Yes, what we do is you are lucky. Almost, we don't know if you are a lucky winner. You will determine that.
Okay.
And the only thing that you need to do in order to win the 5,000 Rand cash prize
Only
is to is to
Yes.
answer or finish the rest of this song. What we are trying to do is we are trying to do a marketing campaign for South African songs.
Okay.
Ne?
Yes.
So if you can finish this off, you get 5,000 rands, ma'am.
Okay. I'm ready.
Wenzile.
I don't know the word. I've just
What?
heard it on TikTok this week. I don't know the word.
Talita.
I don't know. I can't remember. Everyone's dancing to that song. What a cool song, also.
Right?
So I guess I don't win the 5,000.
But you know that song is a remake, right?
Yes.
The background, go, Yamnandi Indo. I think so. Yeah, so anyway, okay, sorry ma'am. Well, we'll have to call other people now on our list. Thanks, but if you can just pass me the airtime and then we can start the show. Thank you.
But the song is like 2026. I feel like
Yeah, unfortunately, that was the question that you got, ma'am.
and it's a remake.
Sorry?
And it's a remake.
Okay. So it's not 2026
I
after
just
all.
don't think it's fair.
Yeah, so yeah.
Are you
maybe
guys
look-
gonna call me?
Yeah, look, we'll see if your number comes up again. Oh, you don't want to be blocked off the database this time.
All right, Santanda.
Okay, thank you, darling.
I'll send you your airtime.
Oh, good day.
Oh, good. Wow. Bye. Oh.
Sama. Malibo.
Oh, bro.
Oh, was it Nix?
Malibu. Yeah, there's a fact. I just forgot. Oh man, I haven't paid attention. I just watched the people dancing and I'm like, yeah. Exactly.
Hey, Coachella, Randy. Sadalam.
Oh, I wish.
Yo.
Oh man, I wish I could dance.
Bro, I was trying to.
No, not
Apparently in my bedroom window. Guys, don't ask us too many things. Don't ask anything. My bedroom window is about a meter away from my neighbor's window. And he has my indawo endlini nabo.
Yeah.
So namhlanje, so this window looks into this window. This window looks over the bed, and then apa there's a mirror,
Yeah.
right? And then apa there's the door.
Yeah.
So ndingena rumini mnango. Yeah, mani ndangena ndibaleka ndifuna upractice phone wenzile.
Then ubaleka.
Eta nebobby. Anjonga.
Ujongiwe. Akupopole. Is someone just chilling there watching you?
I was just like, I'm not even gonna look properly. And you know what the worst part would be? The worst part is that if my neighbor does not watch TikTok and they don't know what the hell. Because if they do watch TikTok, that'll be better. Because they'll be like, oh, Zamaliwe, but.
Oh, nangula futhi uzoyijala phambi kwesi.
And serious ke kwandlula pha ngemoto. How's it?
That's funny.
My man.
It's warmer now. Are you guys feeling alright?
Yeah, but I'm feeling alright for it.
Yeah. It's definitely warmer though, for
bro.
sure.
Yeah. No, I'm but anyways, this is enough about me.
Yeah, welcome to the Blingland, guys.
Because the show is really about you guys.
Yeah, for sure. Welcome to the Blingland, the show about you, for you, where we read your comments.
You know what it is too? It's too easy. Let's start with the first comment.
The first comment says, "Hey Blings, cela uba ngu-anonymous if my comment makes it to the Blingline."
Yeah, it makes sense. That's why you cut off the name.
Why?
I
am Phakathi inside the moving back home situation.
This was about... Okay, sorry. So this was about you moving back home.
Yes.
Aha, fair game. Okay. Episode 131.
Yeah. Phakathi inside the moving back home situation. Moved back home at the age of 34.
Tender age.
After being on my own for over 10 years.
Yep.
I mean, I was 36. What a humbling experience. Making the decision and telling my family was the hardest part though. A decision I struggled to make for 2 years. Suffering alone in silence eGauteng. And baninzi abantu abasuffer in silence eGauteng. In silence, bro. I think that's the sad part. I'm also privileged to be able to come home and have a safe and welcoming landing.
Yeah.
The struggle is the shame. And this is a shame you put on yourself also.
This is the whole gig.
The loss of freedom and independence, especially when being independent forms a huge part of who you are. Being independent was a personality trait. Without it, who am I? I'm glad I was brave enough to come home though. Otherwise, my family would have had to go fetch a body at Johannesburg. Also, ukhulisa umzali is a lot.
I know, I don't know. Bazali, bathi bayanikhulisa. Anditsho mna ningabazali bam nikhulisa mna.
Bendithetha notata this morning about i-leftovers zakhe ezigcwelise ifridge.
And akafuni mabazityiwe.
Kodwa akazisigqiba. Imagine. Umnyango wona we-microwave ongavalwayo. Unoba yi-movement sabo protest yotata. I'm so glad that this experience is not only mine. Thank you so much, Talita, for sharing this. When you are in such a dark corner, you feel like your experience is unique.
Yes.
Then another human shares something so relatable and that helps somehow.
Oh, bro. What a full comment, mate.
Yeah, no, thanks.
What a full
Thanks for
comment.
writing in, and thanks for also just letting us actually know about what the circumstances were and the privilege that you have of having been able to go home as well. Into your shame is so intense. Like, it's shame you bring it onto yourself because no one's shaming you. Do you know what I mean? No one's going, oh, shame, go Sam.
You bring it on yourself, but also I think
in anticipation of
as a result of maybe even situations that you've been in, witnessed, been a part of. And I'll say like witnessed in a sense of
yes, and you've heard that before.
And you've heard that before. You were still young or whenever the case may be. You understand? And now you take, because now essentially if you're doing what had people labeling that person as shaming that person, it's now lo shame. Same applies.
Same applies, yeah.
Same applies.
For sure.
And I think very much that we need to also be able to separate or try and be able to separate izinto ezivalid from izinto ezinvalid. So ile nonto ba umntu othi yo hafuna ubani wohlulakele ngeRhawuti.
This person has never even left the province.
Uyayiva. Uyayiva.
And those are the people who say things like that because they don't have the experience of how hard stuff can actually be.
Bro. Absolutely. It's like a conversation that I like to have where I'm like, you know what? The only people that make you feel bad about the things that you do are the people that you are better at doing those things than they are. Umdu. You understand?
For sure.
Umdu who is visibly better than you will never do that because they know what it took to get them there. So umdu ozakuxelela uba ucula kakubi.
Yeah.
Chances are akaculi because ocula better than now uzawuthi hey mchana
Khazama into ethile.
send suka apho akazothi yo I put that mic down.
No.
So there's also that.
Sure. Yeah, for sure. And we place so much importance though on these side comments that are said by people who wouldn't even dream of trying Lenduyenzi.
They'd rather die.
Yes, for sure. So I don't know. That's, I think, something very funny about human beings is that Umdu will be shamed by someone who couldn't do 10% of what you can
absolutely.
do.
So fair.
Yeah,
no, my pele. And also, upela kwayo, upeliswa is also dependent on us not giving it power or trying as best as we can to not give it power.
Yeah.
To also, when we are like, oh, okay, cool. This is a situation where I'd ordinarily, or I feel the shame to pull that shame apart. But okay, cool. How shame. See jonge closely. That's also on us to give it less power. But gonna spend some time on this comment because Anonymous ndifuna uyazi ke ngoku le ndaba ye-independence. You mentioned something to do with independence. I-independence yintoni? Kukwenza unothanda.
No.
So then ke ngoku intoni uyilahlekelwayo ke ngoku xa ugodukile kuba awukwazi ukwenza la okuthanda kwakho. Ewe.
No.
I lost my independence. Right? Just like you did also.
Yeah.
Right? Intoni na kayizise apha ebantwini.
Being able to take care of myself.
No, that's not independence. Taking care is not independence.
It is. I don't need anyone else to take care of me. I can take care of myself.
You are dependent on yourself.
Yes.
Independent. Oh, it's got nothing to do with the things that you need to do now. I.e. no, ngiyajika kwabe 18 ngo12. I.e. izitya ziyahlala.
Nalo nto aloku nezinye izinto ezinjalo. I need another word for this. Not
You don't like my word?
No.
Even though
because Notanda has it already implies that you're not doing right things. It's got a negative application.
Is that so? Can you spell it, guys?
No, not according to the word, no. And how it's used.
Unothanda the word is into ethandwa nguwe.
Exactly. Yeah. But for some reason, inothandwa nguwe yonke right.
And it's done in this right.
I don't know, guys.
Hectic. Okay. Very interesting.
Okay, next.
Jabulela Anonymous, man. Umzikazi Nzengu. Uthi, wow, sister. Thank you so much for sharing your story. Every time you speak, I find myself relating so deeply to what you're saying. I've been living in the UK, practicing as a vet for the past 7 years.
Nice.
I'm now 37 years old, and over the last 2, I've found myself questioning my place in the world. So much has happened during that time while I've been away from home, and it's changed me in ways I never expected. It was during this period that I was diagnosed with ADHD.
Hey.
I sought help because I knew something didn't feel right. Love that. And
even
though I couldn't put my finger on exactly what it was, the diagnosis answered some questions, but I'm still navigating an ongoing existential crisis. Some days feel incredibly heavy, while others are simply okay.
Oh, Sanalam, relating hard.
Lately, I've been seriously thinking about moving back home. The decision isn't final yet, but whenever I imagine returning, I feel a sense of hope that I haven't felt in a long time. Home feels like the one place where I might be able to rediscover even a small piece of the happiness I've been missing. Right now, that feeling of hope is stronger than what I feel when I imagine staying here. Thank you again for sharing your journey. It reminds me that I'm not alone in feeling this way. Love you, sister and Pudzooks. Give me a piece of home away from home. You give me a piece of home away from home.
Okay.
This is what I'm showing Talita.
Oh.
That what she did to help herself, in return, helping one is helping others.
Yeah, that's insane. I would have
never comment
Chom. Look.
What are you mean?
When the time comes for you to go, you won't question it.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's a very obvious answer.
It's gonna be like there's no other answers here. This is it. It's fine. But when it's time, it'll be
hectic,
very direct.
Is that not dependent on threshold? Yeah,
of course.
And the threshold is fine.
Yeah.
So I'm in the exact same situation. Answer obvious.
Yeah, for sure. And I think the ADHD thing is something that I've found out is something that causes a lot of anxiety, depression, stress to people who haven't found out what it is and have found a way to help. Because all you're feeling like you're not normal.
Going off.
Yeah, exactly.
Oof, and you can't even put your finger on it.
Exactly. And I was asked about in what way? Because when you're a vet, you're in another country, you've achieved.
For your life.
life. And so I think, this was such a long time ago, but when I was thinking about it, when I was rewatching that episode, I was like, a lot of my uncertainty comes from me feeling like I can't behave like other people. And so I'm like...
And that's also so subliminal.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. And so it's not like even back and west. But it's there at the background music. It's soft.
Yes, and I would have never described it before. As
you can't.
I don't feel like I can only describe it like that now because I've kind of been told what it is.
No.
But it's like being told a feeling you don't know and someone putting words to it and going, this is the thing. And then you go, yes, this is what I've actually been feeling. Yeah. But you've had that feeling for so long.
Yes,
Exactly.
Man, and that also is as a result of you also wanting to find out what that feeling is.
Yeah.
Knowing that you have the feeling. And I think a lot of the time what tends to happen to us as people is that there's a feeling, but then you rather get into a thing of trying to ignore it. And then that doesn't help as well. So I think what you've also done and started in terms of you describing your experience and what it is that you're going through is also being able to give some form of a direction to people who have had these feelings and maybe not even gotten to the point of wanting to find out what they were. But I think you also highlight the importance of knowing what it is, because it can be made to feel less. It can be made to go away by understanding it. So shout out and feel.
Sometimes you just do stuff you don't even know you're doing it.
Yeah, come on, boy. Yeah, no, you're doing a lot. Thank you also for that comment, and we wish you nothing but everything of the best, man, in your journey.
For sure. But listen to yourself, eh? That's I think the one thing I can say is that as Mamel.
100%.
Uthi olwadles.
How? Yeah, mina ndohlula. Into menza itheka.
Once went to this Thai place and asked for this particular traditional Thai massage from the menu. Yebetuna. And it's where by the mama for a full 90 minutes. I would never love
Umane lana mhlawumbe othi into ongayaziyo. Now you're just like, andihamba into lento but ayiyo la. What happens if ndiyaskenywa apha?
That's an hour and a half. That's insane. I would have never lasted 5 minutes. What?
Ubhatale.
Dithwetjwa. Oh, let's pick something else. Now you must explain to me by each menu item. Because I just Never. Uti, I've never been so mad. You weren't mad enough, dog. You let it go on for 90 minutes.
I'm not mad at all.
Zange ndayibona swearing technique before that one. That sounds so uncomfortable.
That's wild.
I even had marks on my body after. Of course. Otherwise, love me a massage. Also, guaranteed to pass out.
No, yeah, funny na. Yamosha ngopheka fonini. Leli ngomqolo ndapheka. Xa ngisithi ubambelele esilingini lo muntu endimephezu kwami. Yambi la massage.
Uleli ngomqolo.
No, dileli ngesisu, sorry. You wasn't getting a siswini.
I'm just like, this sounds horrible.
Lwaddles, see, I love your attitude of I will finish what I started.
No, I hate that attitude so much. It's like going to a hair salon, and then you let them finish. Oh. No. You know it's the wrong thing. You know it. By the time it gets here, you're like,
That's why ningazifumani izinto ezinice elifini because you don't trust the process. Nina abantu skeptics always skeptical. Khawubokho umyeka kwagqiba umuntu ngenye ixesha. Umphambanele ke ba wenze into engekhoyo but
never, dude. I've been sitting here for 6 hours.
And then what do you do? Funa imali back. Uzabucabana ungxola.
There's no need for this. Ayiyo le nto besithethe ngayo lena sis.
Hayi, suhara so izayibona. Izaphuma.
I can't.
Okay, how do you resolve it?
You just say, let's not do that. Masenze le nto besithethe.
Anjakuthanda ubuya mathemba. Hey, Lwaddles hard and fit. Hey, but
no, I can't say I'm the one to speak up. Like before I had this hair, speaking up was the hardest thing in the world. Also because uqalwa ebhek. So now there's a lot that's been done already. By the time you can actually see it, you're more than halfway. But speak up. All I'm saying is speak up. And so then it's what you're in 90 minutes, God.
Okay, but to defense here, I can fit you.
Yeah, I'm not doing 90 minutes. That's what I want to know.
Yeah, but
what do they say?
Not everything. Mhlawumbe iyanceda, yabo, but mhlawumbe yena body type yakhe or something. Because easy into yakwazi umsebenzela omnye into ingakusebenzeli wena.
Okay.
Yabo?
Right.
Thanks for that, Lwaddles, dog. Desmay. I'm getting my first massage tomorrow, all because I didn't like people touching. I'm okay. You? What? I'm reading the next message. I'm trying this new thing of stop overthinking things.
Yay!
Oh! Fizz.
I love that. Oh, that must be such a difficult
So
thing.
ubuzicisha in massage all because you didn't like people touching.
Yeah, but
And
that's not
because, and
overthinking.
maybe look, it's as a result of an over. That's what I'm thinking. But it's as a result of an overthink. But uzivela
Bebani perform.
Uyayiva.
I want those vasil.
izicekiwe inzipho.
Oh, yeah,
Maybe just high sneaky thoughts.
Oh,
Yabo.
I don't suffer from that.
Oh, but now you have to tell us how it went. Man, with this comment, you ought to have then, after the massage, responded to your own comment and tell us how it went.
Now you have to tell us.
Yeah, now you know. Yeah, yes. Oh, wow.
Yeah, tell us how your first massage
That's
went.
cool, though.
Oh, that's lovely.
I like it.
Oh, overthinking is something else.
Are you an overthinker?
No,
Oh,
not even by a stretch of the
Yeah.
image.
I think you should just hold it there then on your opinions of overthinking things.
No,
I don't.
I just feel like it seems intense.
Oh.
What do you think I'm saying?
Auntie, cause a lie, Bello.
Oh, but you're already
Nah,
feeling
it's not.
shame. So you have to block her.
Yeah, fair.
That's
fair,
so insane.
fair. Exactly what we were talking about.
Oh, no. All I wanted to say was that I think it's so intense. Like, I
Yeah,
can't
it was.
imagine, like, overthink. Oh, why
Yeah,
I
it
will
was.
underthink. I'm like,
And that is why we frustrate each other so much as people. It's because we don't understand that one overthinks and then the other one is underthinking. But we both are sitting and saying, we are thinking,
we are thinking.
fine.
Whether
That's
it's over or under, so ibona phambili.
That's hectic. That is so hectic.
Yeah. Uthi uLindo Kuhle Bailey. Each month represents a distinct period in the calendar year. So now she's talking about English months.
Yeah.
Mostly rooted in Roman history.
Fair.
The 12 months traditionally symbolize the passage of the seasons and are closely associated with specific birth flowers, gemstones, and holidays.
So like, so like January, but then I see my yes.
January represents new beginnings, named after Janus, the Roman god of doors, transitions, and beginnings.
No, February.
Represents purification, derived from the Roman purification festival Februa. Oh, so there is.
Asiwikanga ncam isilungu mos.
Siwike because kutheni ngoba ngo-Roman nobani bani English ithini? Week. Uvumatch is a Greek mythology. Hey baba, English ithini? Hayibo. Week, English week. But thanks for this. I didn't know. And I was never going to search.
Neither was I, bro.
Yeah.
But now, Sancho, watch me this January.
Opening doors and stuff.
Yeah, you know me, Doug. Fantastic. Thank you for that, Lindo Gushle. Also, how do you know that?
How did
you get to know that?
How do you get to know the stuff you know?
I'm interested in it and I go and I find out.
Well, maybe she was interested.
Maybe Lindo is just like a responsible human being who's unlike me, because I asked the question about January
and then
ended there. Oh.
All that Lindo Gushle.
Shout outs. Karabo, it sounds so lovely to be able to go back home. On my side, my mom made it very clear for years that she wanted me out of her house, as do all parents, I guessed. By the time I turned 26.
Our parents didn't tell us to leave.
Okay, fair.
No, we left. We ran out of there.
Yeah. I bought my apartment and moved out the year I turned 27. And 3 years later, my relationship with my mom has improved, mainly because I had my firstborn son 8 months ago. And this has given us a chance to bond over him. I know that she and I will never have the relationship I once so badly craved, but I've made peace with where we are now. Thank you for that, Karabo.
Look, I don't think it's a bad thing for parents to encourage you to leave.
Encourage and making it clear are also two things, ne?
Yeah, well, that's a form of encouragement, making it clear. Just because you need to know by
Absolutely, bro.
because you can stay at home, utelele how difficult it actually is to keep a home going, and you'll never know what it's like.
Yeah, it would be very interesting to know, but but ilendo esenze olethu akho ayenze clear ba yayindoni.
Yeah.
There's always there's a lot of things that happen in life, and I always say ukuthi ingaskumbuze man umuntu. You understand?
Bangokuya
we make a clear that's hard.
Why did you?
Yeah, because I always find that it's so much easier to have the conversation post haste, but it's just that sometimes conversations are hurtful. Sometimes conversations are, a lot of things that we misinterpret, and then we decide to say tata sipake forever, and we never talk about it. And sometimes we've got something to gain. We'll say, yeah, I wait ntombi. Because excuse me. Sometimes you'll find ukuthi Falin hamba ukwenzela ba ungabi stranded apha mna because ndasweleka. And you won't be able to find your way.
Yeah.
And it's something like that, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
but it seems like it was a
privacy. I don't know. But it can be anything.
But but it sounds like it was a sore point, which is why she speaks about the relationship that they have. I don't know what kind of relationship you wanted, but it sounds like it was a sore point for you. But I'm definitely for just a young inquiry.
Yes, man, I think so.
Not about I'm face or mama, but just wow, adamant basiambe by the AJT. Why?
Yes.
Kamandi.
And
exactly. You're your own mother of your own home.
It's just different for everyone. Yeah, man. I think a lot of breakdowns and miscommunications as a matter of us assuming, bro.
Yeah.
Uzabe shout umzabe uqombe yena mama uthini umuntu lo. Bubo mama ufuna
you put me here ngokuyaliqhotha.
You understand?
What is this?
Only to find out ba hey lo muntu lo is responding to ba ufuna uba ube grand.
Yeah.
Ukushoutela lento ba uyayibona ba lento uyenzayo iza kumoshela I future. Do you know what I mean? Yeah.
What do you blom? Yebetuna. Bling Line episode 48 or episode 11. You guys, you said you do an
you guys
said you do an interview episode for Sis T where we get to ask her questions. So I was wondering if that's still ongoing. Also, guys, feel free not to answer questions as a snack because Atuba Geza. I hope I spelled that correctly. Yes, you did.
Yeah.
Anyway, Kilirata Kuru from Wananyana Wamupe.
Azishe.
Plum.m. What you and I Lendu? So you Plomaika Zig? Who's telling the truth?
So Satini show. Yeah, Kumul.
What was I doing?
You said you do an interview episode for Sis T. Is that end?
Anyway.
But then do we get the questions before or what?
Yes, the people must ask questions.
So how do we do that?
Ask questions on Instagram. Firstly, like Lando on Instagram, ask me anything. Then
okay.
So you could do that as one part of it, and then
okay. So hi guys. Next week we're gonna be asking Talita questions.
Yes.
Ask anything here.
Yes.
And I will read them. She does not have a view of the don't.
I won't look.
Good.
What?
Okay, cool. So do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it?
I mean, I'm curious about what people want to know. Because I'm
that settles it then.
I feel like I've told you guys everything. Is there something
that
you don't want to know?
settles it then.
Why you saying it like that?
Yes.
Fine, we'll start with mine then. Sensei.
The first.
Hmm?
You're going to have a couple of questions from Anonymous.
Oh, Anonymous nguwe. That's no mass.
Fantastic.
No.
Shout out. Thank you for keeping us accountable to the things that we say. Say appreciator. And yes, asizopenla yonke. So don't even worry about that.
Don't worry about
Yeah,
that.
we'll read the question. We'll tell you what you think about the question.
And if
And
andifuna uyiphendula ayizophendula. Ubuzi nonsense apho wena.
Becoming Ubu. Well, becoming Ubu. Hi, Tonga. Hi, Tonga.
Tate
Yeah.
first tracks.
Self-care, unfortunately, has been commercialized into solo dates and spa dates. But if we are being honest with each other, real self-care involves the things that bring you back to self and leave you feeling calm and collected. And these are often done behind closed doors. Cleaning your home, exfoliating your skin, journaling, meal prepping. But budgeting sounds less glamorous, but has good effects on your well-being. So you both probably have these on your list. Hope that helps. Bra.
Yeah,
It's
that's
so
so
humble
true.
comment.
Because self-care.
Ichubekile le
Yeah,
comment
no,
now.
ichubekile.
Self-care. Taking care of yourself.
Not taking yourself out. No. Spending money outside.
Kodwa unamali. Kodwa unayo.
Taking care of yourself.
Yo.
Making yourself feel calm and good.
Bro.
Relaxed.
You're for meal prepping. And we don't think of these things as self-care. We think of these things as chores.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
I love this framing, bro. This framing is beautiful, mate.
Yeah, welcome. I mean, what? Well done is what I wanted to say.
Well, just 2 letters, just the C and the M.
That was so weird. What is happening here today? Oh my God.
Shout out, bro.
Yeah, you're so right. And that's when we were thinking last week about sitting for self-care. Best thing in those is a man.
And also we were thinking, and now I was thinking of these things as chores. As a chore budgeting. Come on, bro. What? But you're actually taking care of yourself.
For sure. Yesterday, I had I don't know. I just had a problem leaving the bed. You know, sometimes when you feel the cloud coming and then you're just like, then I was like, no way.
They leaned on the cloud.
Yeah, I was like, no way.
Bro.
Yes, it's Totini. So cleaner, yonkindo. Like when they washing, vasai, yonkindo. That's what I'm gonna do for myself. And I felt so much better afterwards.
Dog.
So
because
much and accomplishile. And I was like, the alternative was me feeling like nonsense in bed.
Bro. Yeah.
And that's the easy thing to do. Still. Yeah, bro.
And you feel further bad because
of course.
What?
Yeah.
Aziko,
right.
Imagine.
Thanks for coming, Ubu. Utu upeli me. I live with my elderly father. Sis T's story is felt. Why does that man squeeze the tea bag and never throw it into the dustbin? It's not to reuse it. And he overfills his teacup so that on the way from the kitchen to his room, he spills it and never cleans it up. It drives me insane. But I throw away the tea bags and mop the spill wordlessly. He was recently in the hospital and I immersed mopping up after him, raising our parents. Oh, sweet man. And luck. I wonder banza bangumntu ogugileyo njani mna.
I'm pretty sure if buhlala nomuntu bezakuxelela uzaba ngumuntu ogugileyo njani. Because I'm pretty sure that you're kind of already doing those things.
I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it.
This is the thing. Do you think Ababandu they know Babenzezi?
I don't know. I'm just saying I highly doubt it based on the fact that Like, I don't have things that I do constantly all the time.
Now it's gone as Nancy. I was as well because to you it's automatic. You don't even think about it.
I guess we'll never know then, is it? Old lady living in the shoe by myself.
Yeah, that makes me wonder.
What?
But no, I'm missing.
Oh, it's so smiley fellas. Oh my darling. We've got a witness.
I wonder and
yeah, for sure. We'll find out soon. Thanks, Pili May.
Sister Lita, reading out what she wrote is giving me an idea. You guys should consider doing a dilemmas episode. Maybe every end of the month. Abahlali write their dilemmas to you. And nithi fahla ngewisdom. Also your vulnerabilities inhliziyo mchana.
I think this is a cool idea.
2?
Sibe ne episode ye dilemmas.
So sithini ke ngokuthini dilemmas?
Uyabhala ba, hey, nanku umuntu wami uyanditondoni.
Usithini ke?
Asibuze kaloku lento afuna usibuza yona simphendule.
Ba makasitime yakhe old age home. Senzijalo.
Lord ifunekayo at the time, bro.
So yiki.
Oh, you got no job.
In fact, I think with dilemmas, the good thing is to not give solutions, but to give perspective.
Yes. Yes. I don't think the dilemmas are for solutions, honestly, because...
Hey, but it's gone as in this solution.
I want a solution now.
You understand? Oh no, nigga perspective. I think I'm on my last days and 10 million. I don't know what to do with it. I find a perspective like you find a solution. And then mfethu. Yeah, mastivane ecaleni masi. Jonga kahle bithini.
What are you so scared of? What are you so scared of?
Yeah, into sizazifunda kula dilemmas ngam. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm scared of.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Maybe
somebody else. I'm joking. You just handed that to me.
Yeah, we'll see. Basi zoyenza njani. Also, we also don't want to be like all the other shows that do that. Do you know what I mean?
All the other shows that do that, abayenzi ngalendlela yethu.
Asikayenzi senze njani thina?
For lendlela sizoyenza ngayo thina. Kaloku must remember sine energy, sine way of doing things thina.
Engafaniyo
nabanye abantu. Even though man iyafuneka noba ishow eyi-1 for nini umuntu ke sikwazi ufana nabanye abantu.
Ifundini.
Baxelele bayiphame yena menhloko lo muntu.
All right. Uthi healing for all. Zuko is definitely your brother, Talira. Sana andazi yenze kanjani man, but when my brother would share, abe vulnerable. Nandi yela na Mike. Silele swabini kawe atefa mani. What's happening now?
Jiggy jiggy. This is a perfect explanation of jiggy jiggy.
Yes. I just discovered this channel Betuna. I'm glued and endihlekisayo yileyo ba ezinye episode ndizibona sendiphakathi bandiyayiphinda. That's lovely. Just doing the emotions.
Deja vu.
Sometimes ndiyibukela and go on with my day.
Did you say Zuko's doing the emojis?
Yes. Into eniyenzayo bafazi. I wish mna
Sita bafazi. Ngiyangilakha kangaka.
Bafafta nguwe umfafta. I wish mna brother yam singaxolelane but ke I don't blame him. Wakhetha umfazi wakhe over our relationship.
Aish.
Do I blame him? No, I don't. But I miss him.
Yeah, for sure.
After kusweleke umama wethu, we became very close. But the wife faka izembe relationship yethu yazintsasa. Zobasa umlilo yaphela. Oh, that's so intense.
Hey, Buddha. We are wishing you healing, man, guys, man. Yo.
Oh, that's not cool.
Yeah. Askis, man. Askis healing for too. Yeah, no, yeah, Askis, man, bra, man. That can't be an easy thing. But yeah, man.
Did you ever tell him about you miss him? I wonder.
Yeah.
And not expecting anything, but just saying, "Ba ndiyakumbula mfethu." That's the guy. Just so you know, ba ndiyakucinga and ndiyakumbula.
In fact, it can just be a text.
Yeah.
Or whatever. Or a call.
Yes. Not mentioning the problem, not mentioning anything.
Yes.
Just saying, I miss you.
Yes.
I miss us. I miss what we used to have. Whatever it is.
Fairs.
Just we kupa bakuwe also, you know.
Oh, fairs. Yeah. Yeah, Siabulela, man. Thanks for joining us on this crazy wild journey.
Yeah.
Siabulela, man. Ngo repeat the episodes, man. Central into ingoma mind, yeah, pain one. So shout out to you, man, and we're looking forward to many great episodes and many great comments from you. Lady Lebza says, "Oh, I've been living at home for the last 4 years. I moved out for a year and I just found it depressing a bit and costly. I'm 28 and I don't think I'll be moving out anytime soon.
Nothing.
I like the structure and not coming home to an empty house and my thoughts. Knowing I'm eating my meal with family just makes it easier to navigate this life thing."
Fair.
So
because a lot of us come out of homes where we do everything together. Isoporikiwa together. You know, there's always something happening. And then you leave your home. Then you're just by yourself. I can't imagine how crazy that transition actually is.
And no one trains you how to live by yourself.
No. No one tells you about, oh, sana.
And inyan. And inabantu bahlala by yourselves. Ongayiglamorize kalando.
No, there's nothing.
Look, I mean, and I suppose there's different people with different as people, right? And different people who enjoy different things. But yeah, I think definitely worth a mention in Doyoguti. At the end of the day. So, and that's also okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
But I also feel like, you see, I'm two ways about it because I'm also just like, yeah, but then also
why?
Because there might come a time in life where
True.
Then I have the worst time.
Yeah, true.
Just like because there's gonna come a time.
Thanks for that, Lady Lebza.
Shout out. Kowe?
Uthi usonge mayedwa. This podcast is so important to me. How about niyeke yonke in life? Nihlale up a studio. 24/7.
Phangele wena ne. Mane salary wena ne.
Okay. Like sicela niphilele thina. Is that too much to ask for? Just a tad, just a smidge too much.
Yeah, look. I think yeah. It's not like a lot too much.
It must be 24/7. It must be 24/7.
Yeah, so I think just the small piece that makes it too much. Ilandau 80. How about niyeke yonke into eniyenzayo in life? Nihlale apha e-studio nithethe nathi 24/7.
Oh, the whole thing.
Man, that's such a beautiful comment, bro. The way that we wish we could. If I'm in,
if you're covering all my bills, bro, I'll stay here 24/7. No stress.
And not
just cover the bills, also okay,
Kutwa. What the only thing that we want from you is an episode a day.
Yeah.
And that's all that we want you to do.
Okay.
Right? How much are you charging?
For what? The month?
For a day.
For a day?
Yeah. Oh, okay, for a month.
For 30 episodes?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. About 100,000.
100,000
Yeah, bro.
for the month.
Yeah.
Fair.
For 30 episodes,
Yeah.
that's a lot.
That's
of
$5 grand an episode.
Yeah. That's not a lot. Also, I'm undercharging, actually.
Okay.
Oh, ezinye episode zizobhora.
Ever.
Liphelele into zothetha. But give me that 100K, no stress, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you, Songema.
Shout out. Melissa Tumela, 550. Uti, hey, Blinks, I'm back. This time
The time.
is the time is 18:18. As I look on
Lacha wena.
YK. I absolutely love this conversation. Today was one of my self-care routine days. I started my day by doing laundry, changing my bedding, and cleaning my place.
Chores and more chores.
Yeah. Do you learn nothing from this podcast, bro? When I left for work, indlu ibibetha umoya.
Oh, there's nothing better than
Oh, dangam. You akhona ngithanda ngale indle bemoya. Dangam like never happy. Aba sno andi ne. And now befikile and but now we using like an app, right, for this thing. So we get different people all the time. This week ay Tefiki from Davin City. Yo, simbize backlash cleaning.
And then when that's what they all do.
Like, all right, lo booty. I'm sure she must be like, being a crash. What the hell is happening? Oh, on my way back from work, I bought myself a takeaway.
Hello?
I deserved it after the week I've had. Oh, we deserve it, cholesterol.
I see ask my if you take away. Shambi, take away a kawaii.
I'm not joking. When I got home, I took a long warm bath, got into clean pajamas, and climbed into my clean bed.
Nice.
I watched today's episode, and later I'll watch a movie or series. Oh!
Just taking care of yourself.
Oh! Romanticize your life every chance you get. I love this so much. This is my perfect self-care routine. I really don't mind doing things alone. I even go on solo dates once a month and I dress up for the...
Ooh.
Melissa dog. Yeah.
Do you know what I found going through this like doing things by myself thing is that I prefer having a buffer, someone else, to me and the public. Do you know what I mean?
Okay.
So because of who I am, people go, hey. But if there's someone else, it doesn't feel as intrusive. Like I feel like I'm all by myself, just like the perfect target to be spoken to when I'm alone. And that's why I'm just like, yes. So when there's someone else there, I just feel a little less vulnerable.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's a vulnerable thing.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
You need to go to a place that nobody knows your name. I'm your Clarence. You know?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Where everybody knows. Yeah, but I think when I'm out by myself, I do feel vulnerable.
Oh, okay.
Just because it's just easier for someone to just talk to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In Zimbabwe, man.
It's a bit weird.
Man.
Thanks, Melissa.
Yeah, no, shout out, Melissa. I love that. Love that. That's absolutely stunning.
When man, routine yako, it's taking care of yourself and your home. It's literally, it's in the...
Yeah, self-care.
Yes, for sure.
Bro, how did we even get to a wrong or a different explanation of such clear words?
Because of how we grew up with these things. These things were chores when we grew up. Awungafuni uvasi washing when you grew up.
Because ufuna unxiba impahla ezimdaka wena.
No, not because of that, but just because it was arranged as a chore. It wasn't like you're taking care of yourself. It was like abo sebenza.
Also, which must be hard for a parent who, but that's like self-care, like, and you don't think to explain that to a child.
No, because I don't think you're thinking of it as self-care either. You're just like, in life, show me if I go fast, where you washing?
Yes.
What's he washing? Chinja ipeti. Cleaner. And you're like 10. You're like, I don't want, what? So the way we've been thinking about it the whole time has been strange because of how we felt about it when we were doing it growing up.
It's crazy, bro.
Uti marvelous. Guys, let's do a thing every 6 months. We have a special guest. The list being made up of people we talk about on the we talk about on the podcast. Yoli, Mrs. Ndima Senior, Mrs. Ndima Junior, the friends Zuko's always talking about. Smosh Kamatali, your little cousin. Our little cousin is Yoli. Nje, everyone. Kubone. You can even have me as a prop.
You can have me as a prop. That's crazy. I love that. I love that, Vulas. I love that, Vulas. That's really, really cool.
Yeah, that's it's not the worst idea.
It's not. It's not. It's not. Let's think about it. It's at the city.
Yeah.
It's really not.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Shout out. Mam Zupela. Speak of the devil. Mam Zupela. Now, in this profile picture, izandla zakhe ezi
No, that's breaking down profile pictures. Okay, we see you, daddy.
Uti umamzwaiko. Love your writing skills, Taliwali. Such a dope storyteller. Also, yes, please can we have a dad back so we can hear his point of view of the moving back situation.
Oh, that would be crazy.
I'm so invested. Sanitandi guys. Saktanda nathi. PS, dicela invite your sibling circle. Okay, thanks. Bye.
No, how come Nick invites him? Tanamandu.
Oh, what is it now?
Oh, so good.
Talita Polin. Needs of is discussed. One.
The next sibling circle goes about.
Wow! Ike. Into the universe.
Hey, what show me? I can't believe you have not spoken to her.
Oh, funny. What is it now? This relationship, yeah.
By me asking her to come to sibling circle. Oh, okay. No problem.
Yeah.
I will do that. No stress.
Shout out.
Shout out, Baylor.
Hey, funny. Isn't this like her first comments?
It is.
Oh. So, okay.
She's crawling out of a little shell.
It's a storytelling saxophone. Exposure to new markets. Thank you for that, Papa. I appreciate the comment.
For sure. Uti asisiti sijosengwe. Self-care for me is going to church, attending therapy, treating myself to a cup of cafe-bought coffee.
Let's go.
Whenever I think I deserve one. Buying myself quality non-essential items, a few items a year. But I'm also a fan of spending quiet time with self, whether by driving or parking somewhere and just sit and check in with how my heart feels and what's unsettling my thoughts, etc. in silence. That's cute.
Bro.
I stand at you.
Yo, I'm fair too. I'm so envious, bro. Our bandu that have cracked the code of themselves. How do I care for me? Hey, Ndangam. I can teach. Because I care for myself by doing something, and then you find sometimes the things that we say we do to care for ourselves are things as this more shy,
exactly,
that don't help us in any way, shape or form.
Yeah, just because we've taken them from the world and what other people deem as self-care. Thank you, ACCT.
Zamachwama uti siswam. Initsi indo esikufunela yona wena.
She's speaking to Umam Zupela. This was a reply to Mamzi Pen.
Oh, I mean, reply to comment yake.
Yes.
Oh, yafuneka sis. We need you to first do how you met Tamzupela. Then the sibling circle where we get to know you as a sibling and know your brother.
And how your brother.
And how your brother actually felt about you getting married.
I also want to know.
Bese uyasibalisela your experience of being a Ndima yourself. Ininzi. Ifuna iveki yonke atayanda. You guys need to sit as a family and discuss. Oh, and I want a special item from you guys. Whether nizokwenza iduet nomyeni wako or itrio noTalita, we still remember your brother can't sing, so he got it out. I feel him. But yeah, need you. Your storytelling and singing on the show. Thanks.
Oh, Sama, come look at you, my babes. You know everything. Okay, we'll take it under consideration.
This
is so weird. Thank you, Swama.
Sure, Swama. Also, how do you know all of those things?
I'm also just like, how does she know all of this?
Bro.
There's a lot so you got it out.
That's crazy, mate. That's crazy, bro.
All right, thanks, Sama. Is that it?
Shout out.
Uti Longsta, Zed, and Timani. Fire. We need an audiobook narrated by yourself with Zuko's interruptions in between. This was so brilliant to listen to. What?
That.
What?
The idea yomhlaba leya.
Yeah.
The idea yomhlaba leya, bra. Imagine having an autobiography with comments from the people that were there at those specific times.
Ooh.
Mad. That mad.
You guys are full of...
Yeah, you guys...
I want this episode. You guys are full of... you guys are full of suggestions.
Xa nihlala ezitulweni, la ndawo nihlala ngayo yimali. Nihleli phezu kwemali, guys. It's crazy, bro. Nangam, man. Hey, ayafuna ukwenza full time sibling rival, guys. Ayikho le nto siyenzayo. Ndiyavumelana nala khola bisitsho.
24/7.
Shout out. That's actually fire. That's super fire, Lungster.
Thanks, Lungster. Tulele Tulu. One thing about me, I'll do things alone. Concerts, plays, lunch, brunch, dinner, clubbing.
Yeah.
You name it. Oh, it could be. Sometimes I make friends pambili. Sometimes I keep to myself and just enjoy my company.
Crazy.
I can't wait to go watch rugby.
Oh, wow.
Rugby's going to be tight.
Yo, Lele, that's wild, bro.
Clubbing, that's wild.
Master.
And these go and then club back in the day. I would never thought of going by myself.
Brandy ungaya wedwa.
Funa ucula leyo mom.
John, uzabe cula Brandy mfa. Oh, Prince Chomi, my
my friend and my friend. Lover, my heart. He is the very pretty.
The kiss on my lips.
Oh, that sounds sad to me.
The boy is mine. Strangers.
This is the thing. You need someone to come with you.
Dog. Crazy. Yo, I love that. Yo, I very well acquainted with yourself. Posha Mbuli Uti. Talita writes so beautifully. I have a short attention span and usually struggle to stay engaged when someone is telling a story. But I was completely captivated from start to finish as she read.
I think because of your little breaks.
As someone who moved back home at 31, I can relate, and I really appreciate how open-minded you both are about this. Life is unpredictable, and it's so important for people to know that there's absolutely no shame in moving back home or starting over as many times as you need to.
Shame, guys. It's not
this thing portion. Of not having to ever start over is such a fake news. It's crazy. Literally, everyone who's done anything with their lives considerable will tell you one thing. Starting off, all got it in common.
Yeah, true.
All got it in common.
Yeah.
And you must remember, you don't start from zero.
No.
You start from experience.
Mm.
You understand?
Yes, my
So
darling.
yeah, no, Porsche, got it, bro. Got it. We hope you enjoying being home. Charge for all the things that you need
100%.
in order for you to come
31
back.
is young, man.
Butter baby.
Still have like another 50
Shame.
years to live.
How mntu makamuva out at 35 nyango wabo.
Hey, which show me because Aibo.
20 sasala wedwa wena. Ay man.
No.
Ay man.
Maybe not 35.
Yeah, man, you can't move out go when you say injubaqa. At least qala ube ngathi uyabhadlanyana, uya understand now. And that's the thing. We have got so many messed up human beings because they think ukwenza washing ichore. Imagine. Yeah. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to everyone who participated. Shout out to everyone
Yeah, thanks,
who
guys.
contributed. This was fun. I really had a lot of fun. Yeah.
This was a cool comment section for sure. Thank you guys for your comments. We appreciate them. As per usual, keep them coming in. Next week, let's do it again. Any last words from you, sir?
No, it's just that I'm completely sitting where my picture is. So now I look like the picture with the Zugo name in the background. That's crazy. Guys, yeah, I think as I've mentioned, I've really, really enjoyed this. I think it was super, super cool. Thank you guys for the comments. Keep them coming. You guys really give us something to look forward to as we continue this journey. So siyabulela kakhulu man. Don't know man, because I'm that's you know? I'm like
Wholesome.
shout out guys. Thank you so much.
Bye. Don't forget to love each other and
You
stuff.
know the story. Too
Okay.
easy.
Gang signs. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling light.